on a bus, okay. Only half of the plane could get on the bus. Oh, there's a lot of driving required around here. It's such a small airport. Well, they say the airport is being rebuilt, so that's why. All right, so I guess this is immigration. So I'll pick it up.
All right, guys, straight inside to collect your bags.
Let's see here. Yeah, so it looks like it's under construction here. They have signs that say, please bear with us while we rebuild. Who knows how long it'll take. I'll let you know how long the immigration process is, but it looks like I'm going to be one of the first. All right, I'll pick up. Okay, so I went through the immigration. Thankfully, I was in the front, but when we first pulled up, there was only 3 or 4 people working. She just asked me where I was staying. And that was it. But yeah, it's a bit of a mess here, to be honest with you, at this particular moment here in almost March 2024. Okay. Took about 35 minutes to get to this point. So, hola. Huh?
Want to rent a car?
How much is it per day?
How many days?
3.
What do you want? Show me.
Something like that's fine.
I'll do it for 50 a day plus tax.
How much?
$50.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Help you with the bag. You alone?
I got it. Don't worry about it. Thank you, though.
Where you from?
I'm from the U.S.
We're doing a YouTube video?
Yeah, about the arrival process. It's under construction, huh?
Yeah.
Does it rain here a lot?
What's the name of the YouTube channel?
VirtCam.
Okay guys, my name is Anthony. Welcome to St. Maarten. When you come St. Maarten 37 square mile, front side 21, that side 16. You get a car right on the airport from Paradise Academy. Anthony will pick you up.
Paradise Academy. There you go. Good price.
Yeah, we give good price, good service.
Does it rain here often, or?
Yeah, not often, but sometimes we just have to rain like that.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the end of the runway.
Okay.
And down by the other hand, that's where the plane take off, blow the people in the water and stuff like that.
That's the famous part, right?
Yeah, that's the famous part. A lot of people come for that.
Mm-hmm.
Now this week is the Anakin Regatta week. And you have the big bands from Jamaica.
All right. So I have arrived now at the hotel. This is the Hilton Vacation Club. Never stayed at one of these kind of hotels before, a vacation club with Hilton, but we'll see how it goes. It's right here next to the airport, actually. But yeah, so far it's been pretty seamless. No real stress so far. It's a new island for me, so I don't know how things work around here. I'm still walking in slowly to it. Okay, so it turns out I'm actually at the wrong Hilton, but either way I can show you this Hilton. She said I can look around.
Hold on one second. Let me make sure I got my volume up on that.
This is the more expensive one. Just see the beach here. By the way, if you guys want to check out the hotels channel, you can. Alright. There we go. I'll be doing a review of these hotels I stay at. Okay, so here we are now at Flamingo Beach. This is the Hilton Vacation Club. About 0.4 miles away, half a mile away from the first one I went to. Ooh. This one definitely appears nicer. I don't know why it's less expensive. Okay, so here's a look at the room. It's like a mini condo here at the Vacation Club. It's cool right when I walked in. Nothing in there though. No mini bar or anything. So you'll need to take care of that, but my room is probably not the best because it faces this instead of the ocean. The other side's the ocean, so I would assume you probably want the ocean view. I did not get that, so it's okay, because I'm sure someone else will enjoy it more than I would, because I usually go out anyways. But yeah, get the room with the ocean view.